Hamren Gov Higher Secondary School along HSLC exam ki talk along mathematics subject out question ki bang ki ong munaga jok. HSLC exam ki talk bomb school candidate atum mathematics subject abang ki talk dun thek the pin puta candidate atum ningri jo. Lasi mathematics subject out question ki ong munaga puthak Education Minister of Assam Dr. Ranus Pegu aphan ka chuning report lapen question kang vai tuma phan ta chuning ri padopon mathematics subject abang ke mart abang nang matha pon nang ji pusi ka chuning report Hamren Gov High Secondary School along Seba HSLC exam candidate total 536 bang so along absent pinso bang pli absent female bang troxy Hamren pen Bikram Tokbi report News 18 Difu.
Report tentang su SLC exam la su math subject abang ke osomara tum la student atum termne la book along avipin a question la bang su question ko an ma kedo la su question apu tha abang ke la osomara kai masih hindu dagi apot la si kadu ko osomara phansita la ang tan pen a question out pen a question an abang ke board asor phan chuning ri abang ke la re exam jong sipi pelo pulang te la su question bang suam marks abang ke la ang tonta student phanta ke PhD phan singri hin tan ke chuning ri board sorka la si la jong si pipe dat pulang te la sa marks abang ke ini sidam joipo la si kedo ko student tonta akai phan loss let ko singri hin tan pachin don itu board sorka se Assam Education Board lo seba tamne Ladakh board tamne Ladakh ke Education Minister lo Rones Bigu chief kena Assam Minister lo Education ke tasi alangli hin pen labang so advanced mathematics pen cari long lepin student atum ke la ke cari long lepin apa sih labang so question abang ke board asorta mathapi nai labang ke board asort si labang ke ang tono smart phanta mathapona ko si hin pen ma ke do be phanta chuni bidu
this center. This is geography on 4th
March. Out of syllabus.
Yeah. Everyone is complaining about this, that question paper is came from out of syllabus of this mathematics. Most of the students and teachers also, they are letting us to know that the question paper is came from advanced maths. Actually, it should not be happen. Hope government will also decide something about this.
Pinso bangkli, also bang troksi.
Nala exact tong bom ko pini kisum kasi tong
Abe, nono ko ke thang thana. Ano ape, mali sa naji dong tadi tum na tar bang yari. Thang ke sun abe, question ta requirement teng sing hamna. Subject la subject sing hamna. Ano ke thang mo isa bana. Kita thang ke. Isi dona subject geography ni. Lapang ke side tadi kan isi tuji si kata thang thenai ko si tu thang. Aku thang thana. Licensing